Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now install this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now we need to wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and allow in all of them. Now choose Home button, click on iOS Launcher, tap on Always and select Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola, but you can always switch between them by going into Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications. Then click on Advanced and Default Apps. Finally, click on Home app and choose Motorola to go back into the default one, or iOS to check out Apple one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!